Next we have the global settings page. On the global settings page we have the general tab. We have the device name, which we can change, the model name, a serial number, a global system settings, input and export. This is an important function. This is for backup purposes and for troubleshooting. Um, if you want to back up your system as a whole, you just click on export over here, and it will produce a bin file which will be downloaded to your computer, and you just store it somewhere, and it will save all the system, including the mixer, including all the pages and all hardware and software. Then if you want to import it, you just click on import, look for the file that you saved, and load it to the system, and it will load the system again. Down here you got the security, the passwords and all that, and the firmware version. Next will be the communications pane. It's all regarding the network. You got the DHCP on off, IP address, masking, gate, the MAC address, and the DCP port over here. Next will be the upgrade function. Here you can upgrade the firmware manually. And time and date settings for the server. As well as we have a restart button here and a factory reset from the web page. Next we have Maestro automation. Actually it's currently supporting only HDMI in out, and we will support audio automation later on. Thank you very much. This is the info pane. You got all the information regarding the version. So thank you very much. Have a good one.